Yeah, subtraction of three digit numbers with borrow. Okay, what is the borrow that you will understand while solving this problem? Okay, this is subtraction of three digit numbers, three digits. See, this is one number, this is another number. There are three digits. So consider this number. So one digit, second digit, third digit, three digit numbers. Even this is also first digit, second digit, third digit. So three digit numbers, this and this. So we are going to subtract. So this is the top number, this is bottom number. We are going to subtract this bottom number 574 from this top number 836. Okay, so we are going to do subtraction. Subtraction means minus. This is symbol for subtraction. So that's what subtraction of three digit numbers. Okay, so you understood subtraction, you understood three digit numbers. Now what is borrow, that I will tell you while solving this problem. Okay, now I will start explaining subtraction process. See, to start subtraction, you have to start in this direction. This direction, I mean from this side to this. That means first you have to consider this column. This is first column. Next, this second column. This is third column. In the first column, there are two numbers 6 and 4. In the second column, there are two numbers 3 and 7. In third column, again, there are two numbers 8 and 5. Okay, I said subtraction should start in this direction. That means from this to this side. That means first you should start with this column, not this. Okay, so I will start subtraction from here. Now, so you have to subtract 4 from 6. For that, first consider this top number 6. Draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to subtract 4 now. 4. Subtraction means remove. Remove. That means we have to remove 4 lines from this. First group 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will group this. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4. Because of 4, I have grouped the 4 lines. Subtraction means remove. So I will remove this. Assume these are not there. So what is left? How many lines are there? 1, 2. 2 lines. So these 2 you write here. Okay. So when you subtract 4 from 6, we get 2. Okay. Now this is done. Next column is this. I will move to this. Here we have two numbers 3 and 7. We should always subtract this bottom number from 3. See, to subtract, this is very important. To subtract, this top number should be bigger, this should be smaller. Here you can see 6 is bigger than 4. So we subtracted smaller number 4 from 6, we got 2. But here you see the top number is 3, bottom number is 7. Correct? I said top number should be bigger than this, but here what is there? Top number is smaller, bottom number is bigger. It is smaller. Actually, this should be bigger number. This is smaller number. When this is smaller number, we cannot directly subtract this 7, which is bigger number. We cannot directly subtract this 7 from this 3 because 7 is bigger than 3. So now what we have to do? So since this is smaller number, it will take help from this 8, this one. It will take help, that we call borrow. Okay, this 3 will take 1 as borrow. 1. Okay. From 8 it will take 1. Okay. So it takes 1 as borrow. So this 1 is there now. This 1 is called borrow. That's why I said borrow means this. You got it right? What is borrow? It's just like in general I will tell. See, I want to buy something, but I have 10 rupees less. I want 10 more rupees. I want to buy something. The cost of that object is 100 rupees. I have 90 rupees. I don't have 10 rupees. What I will do? I will take the 10 rupees from my friend. I will borrow 10 rupees from my friend. So in the same way, it is just like that. Like that. Since 3 smaller number to subtract the 7, it will take L from 8. It will take borrow 1 from this 8. When 3 takes 1 from this 8, this 3 becomes 13. So this one, okay, this one you should not write just here, you should write somewhere here. Okay, borrow, you are taking borrow. If you don't write also, okay, you should understand the concept that you are taking 1 as borrow. When you took 1 as borrow, so it's like 3 will become 13. So 3 is there. When one borrow 1 is taken, so this 1 will come here, this will become 13. Then we have to subtract this 7. Now 13 minus 7 is what? First draw 13 lines. This is top number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 lines have drawn. Note from that we have to subtract this 7. First to group 7 lines here. Since this is 7, I am going to group. So count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So till here 7. So I am going to group. I am going to group these 7 lines because of this 7. Now subtraction means remove. I will remove this. Now assume these are not there. These are not there. What is left? How many lines are left? Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines are there. So that means 13 minus 7. When you subtract 7 from 13, we will get 6. Okay. This 6 you write here. Okay. You understood, right? That's how it works. Next, so this column is done. Next, last column. This is last column. This 8 and 5. In the last column, we have numbers 8 and 5. Okay. Now, we have to subtract this top number from, we have to subtract this bottom number from top number. Okay. Here you should be very careful. Why? Because see, from 8, this 3 has taken 1 as borrow. This 8 has already given 1 to this 3. Okay. When out of 8, 1 has gone. Since 8 has given 1 to 3, now 1 is not there in this 8 because 8 has already given 1. So 1 has gone from 8. So when 1 has gone from 8, how much is left? Before that, write 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8, because of 8 lines have drawn. I said 1 has gone to this 3. This 8 has given 1 to 3. So now 1 is not there in this 8. So 1 is not there means we have to remove 1. 1 from these 8 lines. I am going to remove. Erasing. So what is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means when 8 has given 1, 2, 3, what is left here? In place of 8, we have 7. 7. So now you have to assume in place of 8, we have this 7 here. Somewhere you write here. You should not write 7 here or here. Just somewhere here. For your convenience, write 7 here. Now assume this is not 8, this is 7. Because 1 is given to 3. Got it? Now from this 7 you have to subtract this 5. You got it? So how to subtract? Okay. From this 7 we have to subtract 5. First, this is top number. Draw 7 lines. 7 lines we have already drawn 7 lines here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I just erased one here by mistake, by mistake I just erased. So I have drawn like one here. Now these 7 lines I have drawn here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now from these 7 we have to subtract this 5. First, since this is 5, group 5 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have grouped 5 lines here. So we have to subtract this 5. Subtract means remove. So I am going to remove. I am going to erase. Now assume these are not there. What is left? How many lines are left? 1, 2. 2 lines. 2 lines. 2. These 2 you write here. Here. Okay. Now see. This is the answer. 262, 262, 262 is the answer. Okay. Let me just take 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I will just verify once again. Yeah, correct. So we have solved it correctly. Uh, Anything if you want to say related to my teaching and this concept, you please mention in the comment. Okay, I will follow that comments. Thank you. Click on subscribe.